we've got the bridge coming across. It's one of those single lane bridges that they have like up in Queensland. So here's the canoe tree. First Nation people would have cut the bark off.
Busted.
Busted, yeah, baby. We've just come through Goornong, heading out on English's Road towards English's Bridge, which is a camp that we used to go to back in the days when we were actually working. So it's pretty close to Bendigo. So why are we coming out here, Joey?
Just to have a couple of days break.
Yeah, that'd be nice. Should we
have a relax and recoup and just sit around and do nothing, basically.
Oh, that'd be nice. So we haven't spent much fuel money getting out here. Hopefully there's a spot for us, and we'll get the new drone up and make sure it flies. Should be good. So let's keep going down English's Road. Seal Road all the way to the bridge. We're at the English Bridge Streamside Reserve, run by Parks Victoria. There's old English's Bridge down there. There's the eastern arm of the camp. You can't really see the river from there, but there's heaps of room. And then over here to the right is the western arm of the camp, and that's where we are. Here we've got the bridge coming across. It's one of those single lane bridges that they have like up in Queensland, and but a lot of vehicle access either side. So you can see down here we've got a couple of little canoes. Kids are having a really good time. So when the floods were here, they were right over the top of this bridge. So this is our setup, and we've got a good river view there, and we have the sunset actually coming down there. Got a few more people camping around. What they've done is actually cut these big dangerous trees down. I remember seeing lots of branches falling off these guys, so the ones that are left are pretty spindly and pretty safe. This place got slashed about a week ago, so it's pretty good. Just still keep your eyes out for snakes. It's a couple of nice day areas here as well, and you got the actual bridge over here, quite a focal point mecca for people actually coming. They've got swimming down there. You get your bridge over here. You get a canoe in. Just stay here for the weekend, a few weeks, a few days, whatever you want. It's free. Fair bit of space here. It goes right back, probably to where that large caravan is. It's well fenced. You need to bring your own firewood. And the road gets a little bit boggy, but not too bad in the winter. So this is the extent of the east end. You can camp both sides. At Easter time, I've actually seen a lot of people camping here, and it's not that far off from the main road. It's pretty good track in, but again, it gets a bit boggy. To give you some idea of how the floodwaters actually affect this type of country, we've got English's Bridge down the hill there, and this is the camping ground to the east. If you come over here, you'll see the blaze on the tree that they put in when the floods actually hit their maximum just along there. So yeah, I'd be up to about here. It's yeah, a lot of water. Everything got washed away, but I believe that because it got washed away, all the trees and the blockages and stuff like that are further up towards the other part of the swimming area. It actually cleared out, so now people can actually take their canoes up river without getting snagged on fallen trees. So somewhere up here we've got a canoe tree. Let's go and see if we can find it. It'd be easy just to be walking along here and seeing the fields, crop fields there, and all the trees here. If you look a little bit closely, there's actually a canoe tree over there. Let's go and check it out. Watching out for snakes, of course. So here's the canoe tree. First Nation people would have cut the bark off, and so that was probably about the size of their canoe, and the tree's actually regrown around it, and the river's just over there, so they would have used this to maybe travel up and down the river or just do a spot of fishing. It's pretty impressive that it's still here today.
What's he got? Busted.
Busted, yeah, baby. Into Bowden Lane. It's a little no-through road just down from Lake Epilock. We'll check out and see if we can find a fishing spot here. Obviously fire restrictions are in. So what are we going to catch today, Will?
Cold.
A cold?
Nah, probably some carp.
Some carp.
Some yellows,
well,
reddies.
Well, hopefully we'll get yeah, maybe a cod. Yeah, I've never caught a cod. Have you caught a cod?
Yeah, I caught a heap of cod.
So what's the biggest cod you've caught?
82 centimetres.
Okay, he would have gone back?
Yeah, straight back in.
Yeah, exactly. Well, this track's a little bit bumpy. I'd say that we've had some bad weather lately, and it's been washed across a bit. Luckily there's no trees across the path, but we'll see what happens now. So we're enjoying a bit of tranquility on the Campaspe River. It's a little bit muddy after the flooding. Wilfred's got his moon boot on after he broke his leg, and we've got the car up there. We've got 2 lines in, one there and this one here, and we've got a burley, what do they call them, a trap or
pot?
Burley pot in. Now there's only one thing missing, the fish. So we'll actually just relax and catch fish. So the bells are going off, probably little reddies. So we might have something here.
Oh, he's going on under his blanket or something.
We're getting a few little bites, but nothing caught yet. So we're actually putting smaller hooks on and having some lunch. So we've got it all set up. No fish, but we're still going to have full tummies.